What we doing today, guys?
We're getting our uni furniture.
We are gonna go to IKEA so we can pick up some uni supplies today, which is gonna be a fun time, a great road trip, a good time. Yeah, ready for some debt.
Hey fucker, get in.
Get in, we're going shopping.
Shop till we drop.
So you're making a TikTok, start like. So your side, go. TikTok.
I don't know how to TikTok. Oh, no, I don't know the word.
So we look.
What's in my bag? Hey, so we're now at IKEA, we're going to IKEA, we're shopping. Going to IKEA to get some uni supplies.
I want to get food first though. Oh yeah, so.
Priorities, honestly. So I'm doing a 50 subscriber special, I'm doing a giveaway. Go to IKEA, we'll buy you a present.
You actually look really professional, you should pretend like you're quite famous.
Oh my god, can you guys pretend to be like a fan? Oh my god, he's so long.
Yeah, and then take a picture and be like, oh my god, and be like, can I be in the vlog?
Do you want to be in the vlog? So I've just met one of my subscribers, you're so cute. What's your name?
Erin.
Oh, nice to meet you, Erin. That'd be so fucking funny. Honestly, can we just appreciate this? Look at this outfit. I'm actually in love with this.
Zoe. Zoom into Wagamama. No one likes it here.
I'm pretty sure it's this. Yeah, look.
Thank you. First day of school. Because I saw the
Mukbang time. Make it look dramatic. Go.
Oh my god.
No, strike me a pose.
Guys, what? Where are we going?
We're on the wrong floor again. This is never gonna. IKEA with my girlies. So, go.
Guys, let's go.
Hello. Hi, I'm Erin. I'm a blogger and an aspiring influencer. As a mom, it can be hard to get a day off, but today is my day.
Okay.
Look how small his legs used to be.
Wait, guys, I actually can't. And it was at this moment that Vika realised she needed new friends.
I'll let you go first. It's not vlogged. You just got nice food. You have heard of it.
No.
Oh my god, they have seatbelts! Since when was that ever? Why is that necessary? They're gonna fall out.
It's only one.
Put it in the other side.
Oh, someone's asking.
Bitch, you gotta get it. No, wait, it's snatched.
Wait, we're almost there. Do we have to go up again?
Yeah.
Wait. It's stopped.
Keep pushing.
Wait, lift it up.
Sorry. Okay, update. We have made it. We're safe.
Got your little leg.
I'm gonna go in a different one.
Oh, fuck, Jesus.
Sorry. Wait, no, we're just shower scene. What are you doing, stepmom?
To be continued.
What are you doing in my shower?
Night, night, baby. Night, baby. Good night. I want one of these.
Yeah, please. Actually, so confident. I like this though.
Should we put like?
We don't actually have like we don't have a proper shower.
Should we like have Erin, Meg, Zoe, to be?
I think we'll know what we're getting.
All our stuff in there.
No, just to like section it. Can someone else get in this? I don't really want to be on my own in the video. Okay, well my friends don't like me. So here I am with my passwords. I can't even find them. They keep walking away. I fucking hate my friends right now. Look at them, ready?
I actually know that's this. I might get this.
Ignore.
I know.
Bring the tray. Put that down. Oh, okay. Meg's on the best already. This looks cute so far.
Oh, like, yeah.
Vodka.
Swedish vodka.
Got some skinny ass legs.
I really want a panda.
Okay. I have no explanation for the following clips at all.
they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
It's just... That bitch is sassy as fuck.
We have lost Erin and... No, who have we lost? Erin, you don't have any kids.
I know, but I'm planning ahead. Me too.
Here we see a wild Davika. Where will she go next? What will she do? Hello. Guess what you called me? No, don't say it. Sugar plum. Ah. We literally have the most basic bitch trolley. Candles, the pink, the green.
All of our stuff just matches so well. Like, look at the pink, look at your
Yeah, but it's going to be interesting to see how different it all is.
We've actually got a big one, smaller one.
Which one are you getting? This is what happens when I leave a cup in my room for too long.
3-pack.
2-pack? 2-pack.
You're so annoying. Which one should I get?
This one. 100% this one. I want one of these, but look how... Wait, how much is this?
I think it's £2.
Is that a joke?
That's pretty easy.
Hey, we get it swimming.
This cork colour's really...
Yeah, this is mine, so thanks for that, thanks.
And then the wheels.
So we got some snacks. We got some snacks. I don't actually like the wafer. So, have you enjoyed yourself today?
So, you know, I've got a few things that I love.
Go on, show us what you got.
This.
Yep.
These glasses that I've been looking at ever since we came into the shop and I got it. And these candles that smell delish. Smells like sex. And I got a bin.
Oh, get in the bin. I don't like vanilla stuff, that actually smells nice. I like this one the best. Where are they? Hi. Hello, babies. Erin. Erin. Oh.
There's poop on it. That's good you.
I was asking people yesterday at work. I'm in the gym. I was. Try when you whip.
And I don't buy that much wardrobe, but you know.
We don't put that in the trolley, come on.
Let her in the car.
Yeah, right.
Some safe as the
Good one, Meg.
I think that was very successful. Erin's used his Apple Pay business and she loves it.
So, these are my friends.
No, we're not.
They're pretty cool. Look at them. This is not. Give it a secret message.
So he's a fucking idiot.
Panorama.
How do you? Oh wait.
Hi. Oh my god. Hi guys.
It's done, finally. The inside of this bag is the contents of what I bought yesterday for uni. I've already got most of my kitchen supplies, so I was only kind of getting a few things that I'd forgotten about, and I just wanted to get some stuff for my room. And there are still a few things I haven't got, so I haven't got any bedding yet. I didn't see anything I liked, I didn't want to get anything for the sake of it. But this is what I bought yesterday. So I will say the price of whatever the thing is that I bought as well. Okay, so I spent in total £49. How much did I spend? £48.50. So, I'll start off with the boring stuff. So, I got this 6-pack of glasses. These are the Goddess ones. And these were only £3. £3, that's only 50p each. That is good. I then bought one of these because I just wanted to pretend I'm a bit bougie. This was only £1. Hello?
Hello?
You alright?
So, I'm at Mackey's.
Yes.
Do you want those chicken nuggets?
If they have them, 100% yes, and I'll send you the money.
It's fine.
Oh my god, yes, please do. I wanted to try them, but because I had work, I couldn't go. Oh my god, that's so funny. I'm literally cooking vegan chicken nuggets downstairs right now as we speak. And yeah, just get 6.
I don't know if other people wanted it or not.
Erin really wanted to try them.
Zoe, thank you.
McDonald's has released spicy chicken nuggets today. Hello? Well, I'm currently eating some vegan chicken nuggets whilst I'm waiting for my non-vegan chicken nuggets. As I was saying, so mine kind of like this really nice grey colour. Here's my pasta bowl, here's my plate, here's my cereal bowl, and my side plate. Meanwhile, my accommodation group chat is going crazy. The plates were, cereal bowl was £1.50, the pasta bowl was £2, the side plate £1.50, and the main plate was £2. Next thing I got was this bath mat. Thought the colour was really cute, £2.75. Next thing I got was this bin. This bin was only £1, and it's just white, like that goes with anything. So I got this candle. Yeah, this candle's £1. Honestly, I just really like the colour. It's blackberry scented. smells so good. Oh, it just goes with everything. My bowl, my bin, my bath mat. Next thing I got was a plant. No, fuck, I've already broken it. Well, I got this, and I thought the colour was also really cute. This was actually £3. I did not think this was £3. And then I can put it on a shelf, and look how cute that will look. This was £6. But I got this tea towel. I didn't really need one. I wanted everything for the sake of it. This was only like 50p. And then I got a cute little photo frame. It goes with everything. It goes with my candle, goes with my plant, my other plant, goes with my cereal bowl, goes with my bath mat. Then I got this. This is just like a crate, like, so I can put my paints in it and stuff. I thought I can use this as storage and it would look quite cute. And last but not least, I got this, and this is just like a organizer, I guess. And then it has like these things so you can section it. Yeah, that concludes it really. I also have a bunch of stuff which I've already bought, and I have a bunch of stuff in my room currently. But yeah, I think that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.